6.2.3, solve this following system of equations. So again, I like to label the equations 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to eliminate. So again, I have to take equation 1, 2, and 3. So this is my little diagram from the notes. And I want to take two of the equations and eliminate the same variable to get equation 4 and 5. And then take these two equations, 4 and 5, and eliminate a variable to get 6. Okay, so that just kind of keep that in mind. Now you don't have to do 1 and 2 and then 2 and 3. You can do 1 and 3, 2 and 3, or 1 and 2, right? So you can do any combination. So let's get rid of z this time. So I'm going to use 1 and 2 to get rid of z. And to get rid of z, I need to multiply equation 1 by 3. So I get 21x minus 3y plus 3z equals negative 96. And then equation 2 I'm going to leave alone. 4x plus 2y minus 3z equals negative 50. Add those together, and that will be my equation 4. So that would be 25x minus y, z's cancel, equals negative 146. Okay, now I need to do, now I don't have to do 2 and 3, but I have to use 3 because I have to use all three equations and I have to eliminate the same variable. So I'm going to use, I want to get rid of z, so I'm going to use 1 and 3. So I'm going to use 1 and 3. And I'm going to multiply 1 by negative 2. So we get negative 14x plus 2y minus 2z equals 64, positive 64. And then equation 3 I will leave alone. So just copy it down. And then this will be my equation 5. So I have negative 13x, negative y equals, is that 70, 82. Okay, so now I'm going to take equation 4 and 5 and eliminate another variable. So looking at 4 and 5, you can see I can get rid of y pretty easily. So I'm going to leave 4 alone. 25x minus y equals negative 146. 5 I'm going to multiply by negative 1. So I get positive 13x, positive y, negative 82. So that'll give me 38x, y's cancel, and that'd be negative 228. Okay, and that's my equation 6. So once you get down to here, you're going to solve 6 and then plug it into 4 and 5 to get a second variable, and then plug the two answers in to 1, 2, or 3 to get the third variable. So 38, so we're going to solve this, so divide both sides by 38. So x equals 228 divided by 38. Don't forget the negative, so that was negative 6. So now I'm going to take this answer, x equals 6, negative 6, sorry, and plug it into equation 4 or 5. So which one looks easier? They're about the same. Let's put it in 5. So if I put it in 5, I would get negative 13 times negative 6, oops, minus y equals 82. So that would be 78 minus y equals 82. Subtract 78. So negative y equals positive 4. Then we're going to solve that, divide both sides by negative 1. So y equals negative 4. So now we're going to plug in both x equals -6 and y equals -4 into 1, 2, or 3. So which one looks the easiest? And we want to solve it for the remaining variable, which is z. So we'll just plug it into number 1. So for 1, we have 7x minus y plus z equals -32. So we're going to solve that. So we get -42 plus 4 plus z equals -32. So that'd be -38, and then we're going to add 38 to both sides. So that will get me 38 minus 32, 6. So I have my solution set will be the single point, and it's the ordered triple, right? Because there's x, y, z. So -6, -4, and 6. So let's see how we did. So there's one solution. It's the ordered triple, -6, -4, oops, -4, and 6. And we can check it by just plugging them in all three. Use your calculator, see if it's right. So like on the test, you would just plug them in, make sure you did them right.